We're working with two brand new components on today's experiment. Right over here is our new chocolate base color gallon. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we wanted to put something exciting over it for the first time that we show it to you. So right here, I have a bag of Alpha Pigments unreleased Super Color Shift Alpha Pearl. Right? This is an unreleased Super Color Shift Pearl from my buddy Tommy over at the Spray Source. And not only are we the first people who get a chance to play with this, but he wants me to ask you guys to help him name it. So at the end of the video, I'll give you more details. So this is what it looks like. It's an interference-based Super Shift Pearl. There's a lot going on here. Any ideas on what to expect based on?
I see pinks, coppers, golds, greens.
Yeah, there's a lot. We are towelless. But what we're thinking is this unreleased pearl on top of the chocolate. Pigment load. These are 5-gram bags, so we don't have to weigh anything out. We can dump them in as we go. I don't want to go too much. We want the chocolate playing a role. So we're going to be somewhere between, what, 5 and 15 grams per gallon? Even 15 might be overkill.
So let's go 25 into the 2 gallons and we should be good.
I swear to God, every video he gets more and more aggressive. Maybe 10?
Well,
I really want the chocolate to come through. And we have no idea how saturated and powerful this stuff is. So if I may be Gabe for a second, we could always add more. What is happening? So how about 10?
we'll start with 10.
Okay, so here's 5. Not a very fluffy pearl. That was not a lot. And then there's 10. We're gonna cut this as always, so I'm gonna dump in 20. The top of the mixing jar is like bright greenish gold.
Yep.
And then one more.
It seems like the face-on color is going to be a pink.
And then accents green and gold?
Correct.
There's a little bit of a weird copperish vibe going too. Now how that's gonna play off the chocolate, we don't know. All right, let's see. A lot of times with these interference, you can tell a little bit by what's popping.
Yeah, I'm seeing almost like a pinkish purple and then to like this copperish gold green.
I'm seeing a weird kind of greenish teal from this angle. Let's check a little stick of truth here. Okay. Definitely a bright magenta, and then it rolls out into like, dude, like look at the side, and then look at the top. Side, top. See, like almost like a tealish right here? I don't know. We're not gonna know until we spray it. So it's time to spray it. Let's go. All right, we're all done with the project, and honestly, these are the ones we get excited about. Unreleased pearl over a brand new chocolate brown base. It's weird, it's different, we love it. We're gonna take the car outside right now, and I'm gonna ask you to do 2 things. 1, leave a comment below and rate the end result for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And 2, Tommy asked me to ask you guys to help him name this pearl. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think this pearl should be named. And at the very end of the video, I'm gonna show you this new pearl over a bunch of different colored speed shapes as well, so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. If you wanna dip your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, click right up here. All of our DIY kits are in one place for you. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this one. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and we'll see you on the next one.